Today you'll learn how to automate your YouTube channel from scratch. This is the ultimate beginner's guide to starting a faceless YouTube channel in less than 5 minutes. Let's get started. Hi there, I'm a YouTube automation expert and content strategist. I've personally automated over 10 YouTube channels, and I've helped other creators implement similar strategies to scale their own channels. In this video, I'll be sharing my top tips and tricks that will help you launch your very first YouTube automation from scratch. And best of all, it's going to be completely free. So make sure to save this video for future reference and let's jump right into it. Step number 1. What is YouTube automation? YouTube automation is a method where you create content on YouTube without ever showing your face on camera. Instead of having to show up every single time you publish a new video, you can use AI tools to help you with the process from scripting to editing and even adding a voiceover. It's a great way to share your knowledge and experience with the world without ever having to worry about being on camera. Step number 2. Choose a niche. When it comes to choosing a niche for your YouTube channel, it's important to consider a few things. You want to choose a topic that you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. This is because you'll be spending a lot of time creating content around this topic, and you want to make sure that you're interested in it. Additionally, you want to choose a niche that has a large enough audience on YouTube. You can research this by looking at the number of subscribers and views that other channels in your niche have. Finally, you want to choose a niche that you can monetize. This means that you need to find a way to make money from your YouTube channel. Some popular niches that are easy to monetize include personal finance, health and fitness, and entrepreneurship. Step number 3. Set up your faceless channel. Now that you've chosen a niche, it's time to set up your channel. This includes creating a Google account, setting up a YouTube channel, and creating a logo and banner for your channel. There are many online tools that you can use to create a professional-looking logo and banner for your channel. Step number 4. Tools for scripting, editing, voiceovers, and more. For voiceover, you can use tools like Murf.ai, 11 Labs, Copy.ai. Use the script directly in. There are a variety of tools available to help you create your YouTube videos. For example, use it for faceless videos with tools like Pictory.ai, Synthesia, InVideo. Annotate is also a great tool for editing your videos and removing any unwanted background noise. For voiceovers, you can use a service where you can upload your script and have a professional voice actor record it for you. Step number 5, upload and follow best practices for SEO. Once you've created your video, it's time to upload it to YouTube. When uploading your video, make sure to fill out the title, description, and tags accurately. This will help your video rank higher in search results. It's also important to use a catchy title and thumbnail, as this will help to increase the amount of views that your video receives. Step number 6. How to make money with your YouTube channel. There are a variety of ways to monetize your YouTube channel. The most common way is through ads. You can apply to the YouTube Partner Program, and once you're accepted, you can turn on ads on your channel. Another way to make money is through affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission on any sales that you generate. Finally, you can also sell your own products or services on your YouTube channel. This could involve selling physical products, digital products, or offering a service. All right, so now you know the basics of YouTube automation. Remember to like and subscribe for more helpful content. Also, feel free to drop any questions or comments down below. I'd love to hear from you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. All links are available now in video description. Just click it.